I'm Sina Abbasi from digigraphic.net. Today we want to make an amazing profile logo. You can use this logo in YouTube or Instagram profiles, business card, website and application, print on t-shirt, coffee cup, and more. Let's start. Step 1. Make a new project file and choose a name by 1000 pixel size. And then click OK button. Step 2. Use text tool and write E. And make bigger size. Make a copy with Ctrl and J button. Write W and put little enter button. Find good position for them. Click on E layer in layer window. And put the mask icon. Click on mask area in E layer and remove part of E shape with lasso tool. Select and put delete button. Step 3. Select 2 layers and make them to smart object. Select part of W and put delete on mask layer. Ctrl and D for deselect. Step 4. Double-click on Smart Object layer and open Blending Mode window. Go to Color Overlay tab and choose a color. Click on New Layer and then click on the Smart Object for select logo. Use Gradient tool and choose a lighter color. Click and drag for make a beautiful gradient effect. Step 5. Make a new layer and select logo again. Deselect part of W for shadow. Use gradient again but this time choose black color. Find a best angel and click and drag to make gradient shadow. You can use your channel name and description on logo or any idea. I hope be useful. Thanks for watching. If you wanna support us, just push subscribe and like button. Really helpful for make better tutorials.